Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak Fizz and Bubbles, and this is their Confetti Heart Bath Bomb. Has like a lid on it where it opens up different parts, and inside there's some blocks of color, some colored Epsom salt, and some glitter. So very cool bath bomb. This kind of reminds me of one that I've gotten from Lush before that opened up, and you can use it like all at once, or you can just dump the inside or a piece of it. You could take it apart, so you can spread it out multiple baths if you wanted to. But I put everything in the tub, and soon you can see that explosion of color. And this one had a ton of fragrance notes. So the main one that I could smell is strawberry, and that's the first one listed. They also have pineapple, raspberry, black currant, rhubarb, orange, and lemon. And then they had middle notes of melon, peach, violet, orange blossom, and rose. And base notes of vanilla, caramel, milk, musk, and sandalwood. So a ton going on there. All I could really pick up on was the fruitiness of it, and mainly that strawberry scent. And the fruity scents are some of my favorites, so I really did enjoy the scent of this one. And it lasted a really long time in the tub as well. And since there's several different pieces going on there, I did check on some of them. There's a little bit of bubbling there at the bottom of the tub. And here's the base of it. Then the top piece, the heart. And then the other piece that had the hole through it initially. So I returned those to the tub for a few more minutes until everything was dissolved, and this is what it looked like at the end. And if you give the water a mix, it's a beautiful teal color. So that is what I have for you today. If you would like to order anything from Soak Fizz and Bubbles, I do have a link below and a promo code that will save you 10% off your first order. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.